Please be advised that we will be putting on wristbands for all paying guests, and make sure to wear the wrist tags while dining in. The wristband is to monitor the head count, and a table has been assigned to you. To help us maintain the quality and the price of our buffet, we would like to gently remind you that we highly appreciate the observance of no leftover, and we are strictly implementing no takeouts. We would like to emphasize also that queuing of priority, regular reservation, and walk-in is alternate calling. Thank you. Calling reservation priority number 1 under Riza.
Layhan yun sila ilang order yun. Na magkanta-kanta. Pero maghatag na sila. Nakainom kang sa imuha nga, di ba? Kitagaan kang cake gamay.
Dagan kayo sila kay birthday mo.
Oo.
1,000 na po.
Bye.
Ano mo yung discount kay free man din? Oo. Wala mo dito yan. Kani, naman siya yung discount sa New Citizen.
Ako na apod.
Hapit na.
Calling the attention of reservation number 1 under Anna.